this is just a small sample of some of the companies, obviously, that use engineers. Obviously, IBM uses them. Ford, you know, Chevy, all car companies use them. Apple obviously uses them. Cartoon Network, Lego, Olympics, Microsoft uses them. Sega, Nintendo. Any company you can think of uses engineers in some form or fashion. Right? There's not a company out there that doesn't use engineers. Okay? So the key thing here is you have opportunities, right? As an engineer, you know, you have a lot of different opportunities available to you. Some of the misconceptions. Everybody knows what a misconception is? Everybody that does not know what a misconception is, and I'll explain. Right? Just a misconception is something that people may have thought was true, right? But it's not really true. So some of the misconceptions I want to just make sure y'all know is that, you know, some people say, well, only the super smart can become engineers. That's not true. Anybody can become an engineer. If you're willing to work hard, you can become an engineer. All engineers are shy or they don't have any outside interests. That is not true. I know a lot of engineers that have a lot of different outside interests from playing sports, playing in bands, musical, you know, inclined. And another misconception is that all engineers are men. That's not true, right? Which was, you know, very good when we had like Mr. Rick said, we had the first class was all young ladies, right? You know, there's a lot of young ladies who are engineers. Like my boss is a lady, right? So I work with a lot of women who are engineers. Okay. So would you like engineering, right? So when I was going through school, when I was in high school, one of the reasons that engineering was attractive to me was because I like learning how things work, right? So, you know, do you like to learn how things work? Do you want to learn how things work? Do you want to think about a better way to do things, right? Do you get good grades in math and science? Do you like math and science? So think about it. Right? Like I said, some of the advantages of an engineering